Que pasa, amigos and amigas? Eads here. So what you guys are watching me do right now is I'm sanding down that flat surface. I'm trying to get that to be a nice even plane, so when I reattach the bridge, it's going to go on quite nicely with little issue at all. I know what you old school luthiers are thinking. Don't be using Type Bond 3, but Type Bond 3 works. Before I started doing this stuff, I was basically, I thought Type Bond 3 would be the best, and I realized it's not, but I'm just using what I had in stock. What you're seeing me do is patch up some of the top. When I took off the bridge, there was some of that wood that came off with it, so I just wanted to create a nice flat plane and go basically kind of work backwards, make sure that there's some material there that the bridge is going to grab. Nice little clean surface there. Bridge is ready. All right, here we go. The main operation. What you don't see underneath those clamps, there's I'd say about a half-inch thick and about maybe 5-6 inches long. I produced and manufactured a call for this operation here. Oh, there it is. You can see it. Okay, so yeah, basically placing that right directly underneath, or as directly underneath that bridge as possible. There's crossbars that basically go from side to side in that body. Okay, there it is. Yep, everything's in place, ready to go. Yep, the alignment's perfect. Time to unclamp. Okay, two things. Alright, so told me I needed to play some Nirvana on this thing. I really don't like Nirvana, but I will try. She plays great, honestly. So the action's a little high, but I'm not going to mess with it too much. After I fixed the bridge, it pretty much fixed everything else. Wait, hold on. You told me to put my name on it, so let's do that real quick. It's got my name on it.